Windows path in Python. What is the best way to represent a Windows directory, for example c:\meshes\as? I have been trying to modify a script but it never works because I can't seem to get the directory right, I assume because of the / acting as escape character.
Use the os.path module. Or use raw strings. I would also recommend no spaces in the path or file names. And you could use double backslashes in your strings.
You can use always. This works both in Linux and Windows. Another possibility is, if you have problems with some names, you can also try raw string literals. However, the best practice is to use the os.path module functions that always joins with the correct path separator, os.path.sep, for your OS. From Python 3.4 you can also use the pathlib module. This is equivalent to the above.
Yes, / in Python string literals denotes the start of an escape sequence. In your path you have a valid 2-character escape sequence \a, which is collapsed into one character that is ASCII bell. Other common escape sequences include \t, tab, \n, line feed, \r, carriage return. As you can see, in all these examples the / and the next character in the literal were grouped together to form a single character in the final string. The full list of Python's escape sequences is here. There are a variety of ways to deal with that. Python will not process escape sequences in string literals prefixed with R or R. Python on Windows should handle // too. You could use os.path.join or the newer pathlib module.
Use path. Path takes a path-like string and adjusts everything for the current OS, either Windows or Linux. For example, on Linux it would convert all backslashes to /, and on Windows it would do the reverse. Full article, Python 3 quick tip, the easy way to deal with file paths on Windows, Mac and Linux. My experience. I spent 6 months using os.path.join ... then switched to normpath ... then finally switched to path ... Having used all three, path is the best of all worlds. Advantages of path over os.path.join ... Cleaner. Less typing. Easier to read the paths, i.e. more readable ... Can join 2 different paths using /c above ... More modern. Advantages of path over normpath ... Can join paths using / rather than having to fall back to os.path.join ... with nested normpath calls to fix things up. Cleaner. Less typing. Easier to read the paths, i.e. more readable ... Less chance of bugs when porting between Linux and Windows. More modern.